Musharraf, in fact, wrote in his autobiography that the last time this was attempted with him and Manmohan Singh, and he was taken away for talks, the bilaterals in the middle, and he said he just couldn't focus on the bilaterals because his mind was entirely on the match.
Exactly. I think that corroborates. Now, neither will you have very serious talks, but in the same time, I hope the team doesn't get distracted because of all the histrionics around it. So, but in any case, Barkha, very seriously, I don't think the time has come for symmetry. It is not yet time for the two leaders to meet. Lot of background and preparation is needed. I agree with Mani for a change that this Home Secretary meeting and the so-called Thimphu process, these are useful kind of levels of discussion. Only when something concrete is achieved and only after Pakistan does something demonstrable about the 26/11 events and the people who are there in Pakistan who must be handed over to India, only when there's some demonstrative movement can any kind of summit succeed.
All right, that's an interesting point that you make, that there was a kind of incremental process that had been put into motion. Have we suddenly elevated it by going to summit level? Before I get the diplomatic sort of perspective on this, Syed Kirmani, Chandan Mitra makes this important point of not wanting to distract the team. Now, as a cricketer going in to play Pakistan, no matter what we may say, there's always added pressure. Is the pressure for the cricketer on the field at all affected by the fact that there's a political process, that the Prime Ministers are watching? But do people even think about this?
As it is, Barkha, there is so much of pressure on the Indian team because the strength we have is the best batting lineup we have, and we have the advantage of playing on home grounds. Right. On those basis, everybody is talking about India being the favorite team. Yes, indeed, they are the most favorite team to win the World Cup, and I'm very confident that they will win the World Cup too.
We will be crossing over to Pakistan. In fact, I'm just waiting to be told when that satellite link is through. Kirmani, go ahead.
Yeah, I was wanting to add another point to that, Kibhai. There's no pressure and tension. Of course, there is a little bit. I will be it'll not be right on my part to say there's no pressure and no tension within the two countries who are playing in the middle there. I think there got to be some kind of very strong message sent into the public who are going to watch that match, and that will be...
To not weigh down the players with more pressure.
Yeah, but may I just add, Kirmani sir,
quickly, because I'm
that
going to
when there was recently, a couple of years ago, an India-Pakistan match in Lahore, and the Indian team won, the Pakistani stands asked that they should take a victory lap.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.